Welcome to Channel of AI Workspace Lab. Today, we'll explore AI tools that actually boost focus in 2025. In our busy lives, staying focused can be challenging, but AI can help you reclaim your productivity. We've completed phases 1 through 3, and the projections are exceeding expectations. Meet Focus Flow and Crova, an AI scheduler that organizes your day around your priorities. It reads your biometrics in real time, heart rate, eye movement, and auto-enters deep mode when you're in the zone. It reads your biometrics in real time, heart rate, eye movement, and auto-enters deep mode when you're in the zone. Users report 68% longer focus sessions. No willpower needed, just pure AI-guided flow. Next, MindGuard, your AI sentry that silences Slack, email, and even your own wandering thoughts. It uses LLMs to prioritize only urgent messages. Everything else? Deferred until your focus block ends. Switch modes based on your task. MindGuard adapts your digital environment instantly. Meet NeuroSync Desk, a smart workspace that syncs ambient light, sound, and even desk height to your focus rhythm. It uses EEG wearables to adjust your environment. Cooler light for logic, warmer for creativity. Time Crusher AI doesn't just track time, it optimizes it using your personal energy patterns. It schedules tasks when your brain is naturally primed, so you work with your biology, not against it. Silent Spark is my personal favorite, an AI writing companion that helps you start when blank page anxiety. Just whisper an idea. It drafts your first sentence, so you skip the mental friction and dive right in. ZenMode OS is a lightweight operating system that strips away all non-essential UI. Just you and your work. No notifications, no tabs, no escape. It's digital minimalism engineered for elite focus. Focus Tracker Pro gives you real insights, not just screen time, but quality attention metrics. It learns your patterns and sends weekly tips like avoid meetings before 10 a.m. to protect your golden hours. Aura Budget treats focus like a finite resource, allocating your mental energy across tasks like a pro portfolio. It warns you, you've spent 80% of your focus on low-value tasks. Time to rebalance. Neural Note captures your thoughts as you think them, then structures them into actionable plans. No more frantic note-taking. Just speak and let AI turn chaos into clarity. Finally, Calm Chain, an AI mindfulness coach that detects stress spikes and guides micro-meditations. It intervenes before burnout. Because focus can't thrive, brain. These tools work because they don't just block distractions, they enhance your natural focus biology. Forget willpower. In 2025, focus is designed, not demanded. Meet Focus Flow AI. It reads your biometrics and gently nudges you back on track the moment your mind wanders. Deep Lock Scheduler auto-protects your peak focus hours, so you never have to say no twice. Most offer free trials, links in description. Test them risk-free. Avoid focus apps that just add more noise. Real AI focus tools remove cognitive load. Imagine a workday where you're in flow for hours without exhaustion. That's 2025 focus. Which tool will you try first? Comment below. I read every one. Hit subscribe. We drop new AI productivity tools every Tuesday. Bonus, pair any tool with 20-minute nature sounds. AI can't replace biophilia. Remember, focus isn't talent, it's a skill. And in 2025, AI is your best coach. People using these tools are getting promoted, launching businesses, and reclaiming their time. You deserve to work deeply, think clearly, and create without mental clutter. Focus Flow, MindGuard, NeuroSync, Time Crusher, Silent Spark, Zen Mode, Aura Bit.
Thanks for watching. Stay focused, stay brilliant. See you next time on AI Workspace Lab.